guys, today I'm gonna show you this video. It's a hunt I done about about a month ago, and it kind of was a flop, but it kind of wasn't. And I'm gonna show you why. But first, we scouted this field. It had a bunch of birds in it, and a warm front move in. The birds didn't get up that morning, but I figured they'd get up that evening. Well, we got in there, got everything set up. As soon as we did, here they come, right off the roost. We got in the blinds. It was me and Jonathan. We were the only two hunting because Wyatt had something to do, Dad had something to do, and then I think my grandpa was busy that day too, and nobody else wanted to go. So it was just us two. It was warm, but there was a lot. It was completely cloudy, and there was a little wind, not a lot, but there was some wind. In the video, it looks like it's howling, but it's up above. It wasn't. On the ground, it probably was. Up in the air, it just was very little wind. But so the geese get up, and basically, yeah, just nothing really happened. But here we kill a surprise bird, and I hope you guys enjoy.
There's snow goose right above us. Jonathan, snow goose on your side. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Okay. God damn. Oh, there's geese coming, Jonathan. First snow of the year.
Yeah, we ended up killing a Rossi. It was pretty awesome. The only problem was the Canada geese just did not want to work. We had some clouds, and they just would not get down within shooting range. They ended up feeding across in another field, and so yeah. But I called a successful hunt, and I mean, what can I say? I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and look out for some more stuff. Snow goose season's here, and keep a lookout for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and good luck this spring, and I'll see you guys later.